Okay, I'm gonna do the cinnamon challenge. I have been watching videos of it all day. Okay, not all day, but you get the picture. So, I'm gonna try this and see how that works.
Oh, on the first attempt. Jeez, Kayla.
My nose!
Ew. Jeez, Kayla. Okay, I think we're done.